Bonjour, welcome to Parler French. This is Vinod. So, if you're learning French, you would have already started complaining about numbers. Yes, the numbers in French are very tricky, but it is not something that you cannot conquer after watching this video. Donc, vous êtes prêts? 3, 2, 1. C'est parti. Let's get started. So first, let's see how to say numbers from 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and these. So these are the numbers from 1 to 10. These are independent numbers and you just need to memorize them. So now from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 et 20. When you start counting from 11 to 20, you might have seen two types of numbers. One is independent and the other is composed numbers. So the independent numbers are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So these are independent numbers that you need to memorize, and the composed numbers are starting from 17, 18, 19. So these four numbers are composed. They are an addition of 10 plus 7, that makes 17, 10 plus 8, that makes 18, and 10 plus 9, 19, and 20 is an independent number. And also you will have to remember one thing: while writing the composed numbers, you will need to use hyphen in between. For example, the set, there should be an hyphen in between. So counting from 20 to 69 is really easy. Firstly, you need to remember that 20, which is 20, 30, which is 30, 40, which is 40, 50, which is 50, and 60, which is 60, are independent numbers. So you need to by heart them. And the rest, the basic formula that you will need to use here is the independent number. For example, if it is 20 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 20 plus 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So that is how you start counting. You keep the independent number as it is and add on all the independent numbers from 1 to 9. So that is how you need to say the numbers from 21 to 29, and as well as 31 to 39, 41 to 49, 51 to 59, 61 to 69. It is simple, isn't it? So after 70, this is where the confusion starts. So now let's see the numbers from 70 to 100. Firstly, listen carefully. 70 is an addition of 60 and these. 60 and 10, which is 60 these. 60 these is 70. So coming to 71. So 60 these. See, keep this independently. 60 plus these. So 60 will remain independent, will remain as it is, and these, after 10 it's 11, right? So these will change to 11. 60 11, 60 12, 60 13, 60 14, 65, 76, 77, 78, 79. And now coming to 80, it is also an independent number. So it is 80. So 80 is independent since 4 is 4 and 1 is 20. 4 times 20 is 80. So 80 is 80. So now pick up from where you have left. So our last number was 79, which was 79, and now we have 80 as 80. So 81 will be 81, 81, 81, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and for 90 it is 90. So now, since your last number is these, which is 10, the next number should be 11. So keep the independent number as it is, 90 plus 11, which is 11. 100, which is also an independent number, so which is 100. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Merci, à bientôt.